Hi everybody, this is the No Edit Salt Guy, and today I am making sausage stuffed mini bell peppers with a bunch of extras. First thing I'm going to do is stuff some of those mini bell peppers with my favorite Italian sausage, which is D&D. I'm going to saute them in some hot giardiniera oil. You can use mild or regular, or you can just use regular olive oil. I use this because it adds some flavor to it. I'm going to cook them till they're done. This should cook the sausage all the way. Then I'm going to remove them from the pan. Next, I'm going to cut up some potatoes, saute in the same pan, add a little more olive oil and some stock, cover them up, let them cook for a little bit. Next, I'm going to add some red onion rings. I'm timing the vegetables here, so they'll all be finished at the same time. Last, I'm going to add some mushrooms that I cut in half and a little bit of fresh garlic. Then I'm going to cover that and let that simmer for a little while longer. Then I'm going to add back these stuffed peppers. And then I'm going to marinate some grape tomatoes in olive oil, garlic, and black pepper, and add those to the mix. At this point, I'm going to cover them and then shut off the gas. The tomatoes, if they cook for too long, they start to fall apart. I'll cover them, let them sit for a few minutes. And then they'll be ready to serve. As you can see, I ate this 5 minutes after taking this picture. And this is what it looked like 7 minutes after taking the picture. No Edit Salt Guy. Less salt every day.